everyone. So welcome again for me, Yohn. I for nowadays I am dealing with a lunar robot. The lunar robot has an issue that unfamiliar with me, and also not only me, but I accompany with my coworkers as a mechanic for this robot, and I haven't finished yet because there are some cases that unfamiliar with me, and also will take times for me to recognize, to find out, to explore on the website or in the YouTube that that explain about this lunar robot. And as some things that my creativity, I do creativity to this robot. I try to figure out the system that I would use as backup. I use as a backup, I would know if the sensor or the Luna has an issue, and I try to make my own circuit that could be able to check out if the sensor got an issue. And also after I did, I got an issue as well because those equipment already broken, have been broken uh, before I use those things. I didn't realize it, and also it's really hard for me to be fast learner. And the first time because I'm still learning as well. I'm a newbie as a research, so that could be take time for me to explore as a research engineering. Yeah, and not only for the Arduino. So the blue one, you see the blue one, many blue one item. It's not only those. It's called the Arduino, but I also try ESP can. This can so the ESP32 can work with a simple circuit that could be able to that could be able as a microcontroller to diagnose the problem or of something, but but not for so long. The equipment must has other items to be ready to use. But right now, um, I don't have as well. So that's why I'm doing another things instead of stopping or holding this robot, but I would not make any progress. It's weird things. And also, I only focus to the GitHub and also ChatGPT and Viscode. So the Viscode work for the relativity. So the Viscode and GitHub, I connect it through ChatGPT. I don't have to copy and paste through my Viscode, but all in a sudden or directly from my ChatGPT goes to the GitHub. So this is the very important while I starting on this project as well. Okay, so I think those things might improve my first day, and also I'm being honest that I will be very spend very nice for the upcoming day. So let's head out from this project for a while because tomorrow we are so because tomorrow we will get a new day be easy. So that's why, yeah. Thank you.